Good afternoon, friends. Last lecture we have to discuss the ceramic method. We have to discuss some introduction part of the ceramic method. In this lecture, we have to discuss the carbothermal reaction, and that carbothermal reaction it is generally involved in the following steps. Okay, first step is the metal oxide plus carbon. It gives at metal suboxide plus CO. Then secondly, metal suboxide plus O2, it gives as metal oxide. Then third, metal suboxide plus ammonia it gives as the metal nitride plus CO plus S2. Then the metal suboxide C is a metal carbide plus CO. Okay, this is the following step, and that following step it is involved in the carbothermal reaction. Okay, the carbothermal routes provides a general method for preparing crystalline nanowires. Means you have to prepare the crystalline nanowires, and therefore you have to use the carbothermal routes. Okay, and that nanowires of the oxides such as the zinc oxide Al2O3, Ga2O3, and nitrides such as the AlN and Si3N4, and carbides such as silica carbide. Means that such oxides, that oxide is a crystalline nanowires, and that nanowire it is prepared by carbothermal routes. Okay, then next is the setup employed for the synthesis of oxide nanomaterial is shown in figure 3.1. Okay, therefore the setup for the synthesis of oxide nanomaterial, okay, this is the setup for the synthesis of the oxide nanowire. Okay, then thirdly, in the in the case of the gallium nitrogen, it has been possible to dope with the magnesium silica to best bestow useful optical and magnetic property. Okay, means in the case of gallium nitrogen it is a component, and it has been possible dope with the manganese, means it is treated with the manganese, and magnesium and silica it is bestow useful of optical and magnetic property. Okay, then the carbothermal reaction it involving Ga2O3 powder mixed with the activated carbon or carbon nanotube carried out 1100 degrees Celsius in flowing aromatic yield nanomere. Okay, therefore this carbothermal reaction that involves the Ga2O3 powders and that mix with the activated carbons, means Ga2O3 powder that mix with the activated carbon or the carbon nanotubes, and that is carried out 1100 degrees Celsius in flowing the aromatic yields nanomere, it flowing the aromatic yields to nanomere. Okay, and that nanoroutes as well as the novel structures. Okay, this is all about the introduction part of carbothermal, and this is the setup of the synthesis of oxide nanomaterial, nanowires, and this is therefore this same the some part it is denoted as the ABCD form. Therefore the A part it is shows that the programmable furnace, B part shows that the thermocouple, C part shows that the alumina quartz and the tube, D part shows that temperature controller, E part says that boat containing sample, F paraffin bubbler, mass is a flow contribution, H is a oxygen cylinder, and I is a argon cylinder, and J is the value. Okay, this is the experimental setup for the synthesis of the oxide nanowire. Okay, and then this is the same images. Okay, same images means you have to same images of the Si3N4 and the Si2N2 nanowire, and this prepared by the carbothermal reaction. Okay, then the reactions of the ammonia and the silicon dioxide gel and the carbon nanotubes or the activated carbon in the presence of an Fe catalyst and the NH3 yields nanowire of Si3N4 and the Si2N2O. Okay, therefore in this reaction the reaction of the ammonia and the SiO2, means ammonia and SiO2 we are to treated the gel and carbon nanotubes, and that it is formation into the activated carbon in the presence of an Fe catalyst, and the ammonia yields nanowire Si2, Si3N4 and Si2N2O3. Okay, this is the first point. Then second point is the formation of the Si3N4 nanowire in the presence of carbons, in the presence of carbon. Okay, this is the representation of the formation of Si3N4 nanowires in the presence of carbon. Okay, therefore 3 times of SiO2 plus 6 carbon plus 4 types of ammonia, it gives that Si3N4 plus 6H2O, and 6 CO2. Therefore, the iron oxide formed in such a reaction would readily get reduced back to the metal particle in reducing the atmosphere. Okay, you have to use for the iron oxide, that iron oxide it is formed such reaction and it would be reduced back to the metal particle. Means the ionic iron oxide its particle size it is reduces back to the metal particle in the reducing atmosphere. The formation of Si2N2 is given by the formula 2SiO2 plus 3 carbon plus 2 NH2. It gives as Si2N2O plus 3CO plus 3H2. Okay, this is all about the ceramic method. हे संपूर्णपणे काय आलं तुमचा ceramic method. Next lecture we have to discuss the decomposition of the precursor of the compound. Thank you.